Well, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. What could have been the real mission of Gaza war? Here is one analysis from a different perspective. On 9 and 10th September, G20 conference was held in India. During the conference, one MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, was proposed and then it was approved immediately and signed by USA, India, Saudi Arabia, UAE, European Union, Italy, France and Germany. According to this MOU, India Middle East European Economic Corridor was approved as an alternate to Chinese Belt and Road Initiative. The IMEC was assigned to develop rail and shipping network connecting India, UAE, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jordan and Mediterranean Haifa port of Israel. Then bypass Suez Canal and the goods are to be sent to Europe through this corridor. Now on September 22, while addressing the 78th session of UNO, the Israeli Prime Minister showed a map of New Middle East where Palestine was wiped out. Kibbutz, they are part of Israel's old culture and civic society. These people mainly do farming. Whole income earned by these people is deposited in one pool. Normally these people live together and eat together. Ranging from 100 to 1000 in number, kibbutz prefer to live in villages. For self-defense, these people are issued with weapons also. Surprisingly, prior to Hamas attack on 7th of October, the kibbutz residing in near vicinity of Gaza border, they were told to deposit their weapons. Similarly, when these kibbutz residing near the border of Gaza asked for the permission to hold music festival, they were permitted and all type of sureties were given to them about their protection and safety. Now when Hamas attacked on 7th of October, which continued almost for 3 days, these kibbutz were massacred in large number and were taken as captives by Hamas operatives. The main aim of sharing these details is to hint that maybe behind the Gaza attack, Israel has started working to implement its Greater Israel plan. Immediate arrival of US and UK naval fleets in Mediterranean, destruction of Lebanese and Syrian air bases, and showing solidarity with Israel by those countries who signed the MOU during the G20 conference in India all clearly indicate that the main aim of the attack on Gaza is to ensure smooth establishment of IMEC. This is India Middle East European Union Economic Corridor. This is known as an alternate to the Chinese Belt and Road Initiative. Apparently, Palestinians are the only nation which may create hindrance in this project. As such, on this presumption, it might have been decided to eliminate the Palestinians living in the route of this corridor. In first phase, Gaza Palestinians will be pushed to Egyptian Sinai Desert. Egypt can agree to it in lieu of big financial aid. In second phase, Palestinians living in West Bank can be pushed to the beneficiary country of the IMEC. This analysis is purely based on the unfolding events on the ground. Maybe the analysis have some shortcomings, but the events which are unfolding on the ground making indications towards this analysis. In the end, I would like to say that it is said, man proposes and God disposes. For achieving their strategic interest, the powerful nations are committing atrocities to innocent and helpless creature of the God. Now question is, will the Creator, the Almighty God, will remain silent on these cruelties, or will He be coming to help its innocent and helpless creature? For that we have to wait and see that how things get concluded on the name of this Gaza war.